You ready? I'm ready. Whoa! At Norton and Sons, we know that exceptional tailoring takes time. Every bespoke suit we cut and sew can take up to 70 hours to complete.
At Lotus, great work is all about time. In less than 9 seconds, the Lotus Evija accelerates from 0 to 180 miles an hour.
Norton and Sons have been making the world's finest bespoke clothing since 1821.
Lotus makes the world's finest sports cars for the drivers. We've been doing it since 1948.
We believe in craftsmanship, meticulous attention to detail, and absolute exclusivity.
We believe in delivering thrilling performance. Here at our global sports car headquarters in Norfolk, we're developing the Lotus Evija, a pure electric hypercar and the world's most powerful road car. We wanted to work with Patrick and the Norton Sons team to create the ultimate driver's jacket for Lotus Evija owners.
We always start with a conversation about the garment, what it will be made from, where it will be worn, how it fits into that individual customer's wardrobe. Next, we'll take a series of up to 28 individual measurements from the customer. We need that information to achieve the perfect fit.
Both the jacket and the car are unique, contemporary and designed for performance. They're made with passion and the best of British craftsmanship.
When you bring great brands like Lotus and Norton and Sons together, thrilling things can happen. I'm so glad I didn't have any lunch.